Benefits of taking in ketones, the best way to lose weight. It can be intimidating to switch to a ketogenic diet, but it doesn't have to be. The aim should be to cut carbohydrates while increasing fat and protein in your meals and snacks. Carbs must be limited in order to achieve and sustain ketosis. When you reach ketosis, your body becomes acidic, reducing free radicals. Many believe that they feel a little run down when they are in ketosis, but this doesn't necessarily occur. The body will run more efficiently using ketones and fatty acids as fuel for cellular renewal. The term ketosis was originally described in medical science as a condition where in the body will take in more glucose, the main energy source, than it can use. Doctors also had the concept of ketosis, which was defined as ketosis when ketones will make you feel sleepy. The main symptom of ketosis is a craving for carbohydrates. When you go on a ketogenic diet, the only carbohydrate source will be omega-3 oil such as krill oil. If you take in an excess amount of carbohydrates, your brain may produce a state of ketosis in order to reduce the amount of glucose the brain will take in. By taking in more ketones than glucose, the brain is able to reduce glucose intake. This is the aim of the ketogenic diet. By cutting carbohydrates, you also cut your food intake. So the most accurate way to describe it is to maintain a surplus of ketones than glucose and then restrict carbohydrates. When the ketogenic diet is introduced into the body, the brain is able to use ketones for energy and also reduce food intake in order to do this. Brain cells are able to repair themselves by consuming ketones and you don't feel hungry. This is because the ketones are metabolized into non-essential substances. When the ketogenic diet is applied in a gradual way, the brain cells are able to use the ketones for energy and also reduce food intake in order to do this. Ketones are also processed into non-essential substances. This slow and steady approach is preferable to the quick and hard approach. Quick and hard approach results in brain cells getting damaged. The gradual approach results in beneficial effects such as the one described. There are several other benefits of taking in ketones. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on future videos about healthy living, and check out all my other videos on how to stay healthy.